Kylie. I worked in specialized programs and with families to help them help their special family member reach their best potential and live with as much independence as they can in their homes and communities.
Hi, I'm Brielle, and I'm a mom just trying to do my best with my own special kids. And this is Jacob. Jacob is my 15-year-old special boy.
Hi, my name is Kira, and I'm Jacob's younger sister.
Hi, my name is Brielle, and I'm Jacob's younger brother.
And I'm Greg, Jacob's dad.
When I first realized that Jacob was going to have difficulties learning and developing throughout his life, I found it very overwhelming and I didn't know what to do. I found accessing information really difficult, and specialized professionals were often overscheduled and very expensive to access. So my friend Kylie and I decided to start a series of videos to help people just like us to help their special people be the best that they possibly can and function the best that they possibly can.
Our goal is to offer ideas, shed some light on what exceptional kids might need and why they may be feeling what they feel, and just to help encourage you. We are not professionals, we are simply here to share our ideas, thoughts, and what we've experienced. If you are in need of professional help or therapies, please speak to your family doctor. In today's video, we're going to talk about sensory seeking. Have you noticed that some kids just can't sit still? They're constantly on the move, fidgeting their hands, swinging their legs, mouthing a certain object, or repeatedly listening for a certain sound? Well, these are some signs that your kid is sensory seeking. In another video, we talked about sensory avoiders, and sensory seeking is basically just the opposite. Kids that sensory seek just can't get enough of something. They can't get enough movement, enough touch, enough hearing the certain sound, or mouthing a certain texture. In this video, we're going to show some examples of sensory seeking and what you can do to help refocus your child.
All kids end up sensory seeking at times. Moving and exploring is completely normal, and wanting more of something is completely normal also. It's just part of being a kid. Sometimes, however, kids can get stuck in a sensory seeking behavior and they may need help from you on how to get out of that. Also, some kids may have sensory seeking behavior that is a little over the top and may need help from the doctor. If you feel that your kid is a little sensory seeking a little too much, or if you're struggling with the amount of sensory seeking that's going on in your house, please speak to your doctor. Take a look at what we have here for some examples of how Jacob sensory seeks.
Jacob, it's time to go. We can find a rock later. Oh, we're gonna stand up. Ready? Let's stand up. Ready? Let's stand up. Find a different rock.
In those videos, you could see Jacob sensory seeking. He was shaking the paper repetitively, he was putting it to his mouth, he was squealing repetitively and needed that constant input of noise, and he was just overall unsettled. He had this constant need to move and to wander, and in general, he was just sensory seeking.
So how can we help him in these instances? Well, it is important that we replace the sensory seeking behavior rather than stop it. And we can replace with items like sensory bins, shakers and bottles, appropriate things to chew on like chewy tubes, and appropriate fidgets for his hands. We can provide some heavy work like carrying a backpack full of books or toys. Let him have some tummy time or crawl on the floor. And we can also provide him with things that help his vestibular processing of movement, like swinging on a swing, bouncing on a ball, jumping on a trampoline, or rocking in a rocking chair. We will expand on this in another video, but for now, these are some ideas that you can try to help your child and your family feel more settled and focused.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, good job, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good job! Wow, look at you, John! Wow!
Thanks for watching! That's all we have for today. We really hope we've helped you try some new strategies that work for us. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with our most recent videos. Remember, you're doing awesome. Keep up the good work. See you next time!